Have you ever wanted to run the movie theater? Can you see yourself picking the films to show and welcoming your guests? Enter the Win the Temple Theater essay contest, and it could happen. You could win the grand prize of the theater, the building, our big parking lot next door, and $25,000 in cash. Just go to our Facebook page or our website, www.templemovies.com, for all the details. The contest has already started. Someone is going to write the best essay on why would you be the best person or family or group to be the new owner of the Temple Theater in historic downtown Holton, Maine. One essay writer will be judged to be the grand prize winner. The contest closes January 15th, and when the judging is done, the new owner of the Temple Theater will be named. That someone could be you. See you at the movies.